guys, it's your favorite brown girl here. It's Ninja Marie back with another video. Now this video is on skincare. Recently a Korean company reached out to me to do a YouTube video in exchange for free products, and of course I said yes because you know I like free things, you know I'm cheap. Yeah, so we're gonna get right into it. So this line is called Aprilskin and it is Real Calendula. I'm not sure what that is. I think it's a flower or an essence of something really good that's great for the skin. And they sent me 4 amazing products. One being their popular Peel Off Pack, which is like a mask that you put on and dry off. They also gave me a Deep Essence Moisture, which is like a moisturizer, but it's really lightweight, I'm sure. They gave me peeling pads, and they also gave me a foam cleanser. So now I'm going to try all 4 of these products here with you today and tell you what I think about it.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
Hey guys, so I removed my makeup and now I'm going to try the products. So the first product I'm going to try is their foam cleanser. It's pretty big. Let me see how many ounces it is. Ooh. It does not say because it's in Korean, but that's okay. So let's go ahead and wash my face, and it has Real Calendula, I think, flowers in it, and this cleanser is really creamy, which is what I like. And it's a foam cleanser, so you can add water to make it more foamy. But so far, so good. Hopefully it washes away all of my makeup that I just had on. I always wash my face with a washcloth. I do not use these on my body, just on my face. So I'm going to wash it off. So now that my face is clean, I'm going to use the Calendula Peel Off Mask. Now this is their most popular product and everybody in Korea loves it. So I really hope I love it too. So I'm going to use my trusty mask applier that I got from Shop Miss A for $1 and apply the mask on here and then put it on my face. So now I'm going to apply the product to my face, and as you know, when you do a peel off mask, the product has to be applied thick on the face so you can easily peel it off. Now, as you guys all know, I got a small ass forehead. That's okay, gonna make it work. So I'm gonna apply a little bit more with my fingertips to get spots I couldn't reach with the brush. It has a really light fragrance too. It isn't too harsh or heavy. It doesn't sting so far yet. So we'll see. All right. So now you have to let it dry. Hopefully it doesn't take too long, but we shall see. Be right back.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so the mask has fully dried, and as you can see, I can barely talk because it's so tight on my skin. As you can see, like, and it's kind of peeling on its own because it's dried up now. But right now, I'm going to attempt to peel it off myself.
I'd like to take his face off.
Oh my God. Ooh, child. It's peeling off though. Okay, I did pretty good. Oh. Not bad. Oh my god, I did it! Look at that! My face does feel really good. I'm going to wipe off the excess product on my face. My face does feel really smooth. I feel like it took off some of my hair on my face, but it feels really good, and this is the aftermath. Okay. So the next product I'm going to use is their peeling pad. The peeling pads are made to hydrate the skin. They're like toner pads, which is what you do after you cleanse the face and use a mask. You tone your face, and you can use it daily, and it buffs away impurities to help reveal a brighter, polished skin. Okay guys, so the last product I'm going to use today is the Real Calendula Deep Moisture Essence, and I believe this is the last step, and this is a moisturizer for your skin. So let me read the description for this product. Shit.
Humiliation, take one, Mark.
So it delivers deep hydration to the skin, and supposedly it helps shrink your pores. Now I have really large pores, so I really hope this works for me. And you can use this in the morning and in the evening after you wash and cleanse your face. So this is what it looks like. It's clear, has a faint smell, nothing too heavy, which is great. So let's apply it. So I'm gonna apply it on my face, 2 drops. That's probably all I need. I mean, my face ain't that big. And then you want to apply it with your fingertips in a circular motion. And you let it sit in, and that's it. Hey guys, so I just finished using all of the Aprilskin products. Now let me remind you, this is a Korean brand, and it's super popular. Now these products are trendy and natural, and I really enjoyed using them today, and nothing was really too harsh. It was easy to use, and they're just like any other natural product that you would use in the United States. It's just a Korean brand, and people in the US need to get on the bandwagon with Korean skincare beauty. It's a $1 billion industry, and I think it will be really substantial and work well in the United States, since skincare is super important. But yeah, these products range from the prices of $20 up to $24, so it's super affordable. And I feel like you can find something like this at your local Macy's, Bloomingdale's, what else, Dillard's, Sears, things of that nature. This is not product that I think you would find at Walmart or Target. It's a little upper class. But yeah, stay tuned for my next video. I may have some more skincare to show you guys. Thanks for watching.